Good evening, dear children. So today we are going to practice our sensorial activity known as pink tower activity. So the first thing that we need for this activity is this mat. So we have to keep all our items on this mat. So let us first take the mat and unroll it. So keep it on the table. Unroll it slowly like this. And then set it straight. And now we are going to do the pink tower activity. We have the pink tower activity. There are a set of cubes. Okay, so there are a set of cubes. There are 10 cubes. So we are going to take each of this cube one by one and keep it on the mat first. So how to take the mat is you hold the cube like this with your thumb finger and forefinger on the other side of the cube, and support it. You give a support at the base of the cube and come to the mat and keep it firmly. Continue like that with all the other cubes. Take it and give a support like this with the other hand and keep it on the mat. As the size of the cube becomes smaller, you don't have to give a base support. So you can just hold it with your fingers, just with your thumb finger and all the other fingers on the side. You just have to hold like this and keep it on the mat separately. You should not carry 2 or 3 cubes one at a time. You should carry only 1 cube at a time and keep it on the mat. So this is the last one, you keep it. Now in this activity, what we are going to learn is how to arrange the cubes from the largest cube to the smallest cube, and we are going to build a tower. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to find which is the largest cube. Okay, we have 10 cubes here, so find the largest cube among these. So you go on searching, and you will understand that this is the largest cube. So take it with both your hands, give a good support and then keep it on the center of your hand. Alright, now the next thing is you have to find the next largest, that is the next smallest, smaller than the one that you have kept on the mat. So you have to find the cube that is smaller than this one. So you have to find which is the next smaller one. Which is the next smaller one? This one. So take it with both your hands, give a base support and then carefully keep on top of the previous one. And when you are keeping it, make sure that it is perfectly aligned. It comes on the middle of the previous cube. Next, we have to find the next one, the next smaller one. So which one will be the smaller one? This one. So take it with both your hands, give a base support and then carefully come to the tower and keep it on the middle of the previous one. So let us continue with all the other cubes. Let us find the next smaller cube. This one. Now let's find the next smaller one. So which one? This one. Then this. Next is this one. So now you don't have to give a base support, this is because this is much smaller. So take it and keep on the middle of the previous one. keep on building the tower, make sure that it is aligned at the middle of the previous cube. And now the last cube, this is the smallest cube. You take it, keep it in the center. So now this is the pink tower activity. You have built a tower like this. The benefits of this activity are you are able to it promote the fine motor skills. You are able to find you move your hand-eye coordination, and then you are able to understand which is the biggest cube and which is the smallest cube, and you can understand whether it is a bigger cube or a smaller cube, is the smallest cube or the biggest cube or a medium-sized cube. All these vocabulary also you get to understand from this activity. Now, how to dismantle the pink tower? That is, you have to take each cube out slowly from the tower and keep it safely. So first, take the smallest one, keep it on the mat. Next one, arrange it neatly. As the size becomes bigger, give a base support to the cube. Now you have to keep all the cubes back to the shelf. As the size becomes smaller, you just have to take it with your fingers. Do not take all the cubes or more than one cube at a time. And now keep it back to the shelf. The last thing that you have to do is roll the mat back neatly. You keep the mat like this. From one end, you roll it. As you roll it, you adjust it at both the ends. And then, now you have rolled the mat, you kick it back.